Hi, it's Kelsey from Junk Journal Magic, and I'm back with Flip Through Friday, hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. It's a collab where everyone can flip through a book they like or want to share, or flip through something they've made like a junk journal or art journal, or show some ephemera they've worked on. You can show just anything you like. So today I'm going to go through the second No Excuses watercolor book. This one focuses on animals, and it's a field guide to painting by Gina Rossi Armfield. This book was published in 2016. I showed the first book. There are two in this series. The first book I showed last Friday, so you can go back and watch if you like. I'm going to turn the music on and just let you watch. Here we go. There you go. There were quite a few pieces in here. I kept thinking, oh, I need to do that. I need to do that, especially like the deer. There was just so much expression in the face. I was like, man, I need to do the deer. Look at the deer. Look at the eyes. Her work is so good because she teaches you how to make the eyes look like they're glinting. I love it. I had most fun of all working with the eyes in the other book.